Hi everyone, so we're going to finally finish off our definitions for the Venn diagrams. We're almost finished. We're not going to do this last one over here, we'll save that till later. But we're going to cover all of these, and some of them we've already covered, so that'll be revision. First of all, A. Now, A is a set. Often A will be an event, like, for example, if this is the numbers from 1 to 16, A could be the event that you choose an even number. Well, it is this is all the even numbers in A. So, but A is also called a set. So the set of outcomes. So set A, and B is also called set B. Little n A means the number of outcomes in A. So if I count these, one is not just these 6 over here, it's also these 2, because it's everything in this big circle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So NA equals 8. NB, that is the number of outcomes in set B. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, don't get confused. NA is different to probability of A. Probability of A is not 8, and a lot of people make this mistake. They say probability of A is 8 because they get NA and probability of A confused. Remember, probability can't be any bigger than 1, so of course this can't the probability of A can't be 8, and it's actually, of course, the number of outcomes in A, which is 8, divided by the total number of outcomes, which is 16. And that'll simplify to 1/2. This funny looking E thing is called the universal set, which means everything in this rectangle. The universal set is the same as the sample space. So everything in the sample space is all of the outcomes, so is the universal set. So if I wanted to find the number of elements in the universal set, you just count them all, and we already know this is 16. 16 of them. Okay, there's a revision hopefully for you. If you've seen the previous ones, this is A intersection B, which is just these two elements here. And there's A union B, which is all of these. So I said elements. I could say elements or outcomes. It's the same thing. So all of these is A union B. Now this is where it gets a little bit trickier. This little apostrophe here means not. So this is not A. This is a set of not A. It's also called A prime. That's how you say it out loud. So if I want to find the number of elements in not A, that would be these ones and these ones. So they're all the outcomes or elements in not A. And the number of them, of course, we can just count them. That ends up being 8. So again, B prime, or B apostrophe means B prime. That's not B. If I wanted to find the number in not B, I wonder if you can guess which outcomes are in not B. Well, it's everything except for the things in this circle. So it would be these two. All right, so the number in not B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's all for this video. We'll skip this one until later.